Hey YouTubers, gonna make some royal icing today. What makes it royal? It's super sticky, so it's super great for constructing stuff or a really hard to do project. You just don't want to use glue, but you really want it to stay. Or you can add some water, and then it makes it like a really smooth, pretty color. So what are we gonna need? 3 eggs. These are fresh from the chickens. Still got some grass on them. And we'll also need convection or sugar. It's not like granulated sugar. This stuff's different. Let me show you. Powdery. Falls like snow. And last but not least, cream of tartar. Let's get started. So, we're going to use 4 cups. Oops. Oh no. It's a bit messy. Ooh. This stuff feels weird. Oh no. No. I will need a funnel. Oh no. 1 down, 4 to go. 3 to go. Oh my goodness. Cannot count today. 1, 2, 3, 4. I swear I washed my hands before this video. And 4. Recycling. Okay. I'm gonna fast forward real quick to where this is clean. Well, it's cleaner. Okay, so next we're going to remove the whites and the yolks. Had a little bit left over in. Okay. What we're going to do is crack it. Be careful. Try to do it evenly throughout. There we go. There's the yolk coming. I meant not the yolks, the whites coming through. Get some of it in there. And there's a few different ways to do this. You can hold your hand over and try to hold the yolk, or you can play catch and just hope that it doesn't fall in. Oops. Come here, little eggshell. There we go. Just kind of go back and forth. And just till there's nothing left. Oh. Just be careful you don't accidentally mix it. You can technically get the yolk out. You just gotta carefully scoop it out. There we go. Okay. 2 more. There we go. That's a little bit more even break. Just try not to split your yolk. Try to keep it even and whole. And just kind of go back and forth with it. Get that yolk out. There we go. This is pretty fun. It's like catch. Okay. 1 more. Okay. Pretty even break. Okay. Oh, that was a nice little plop. Almost got it. No, my icing is not vegan friendly. I'm sorry. We will eventually do vegan dishes, I promise. Just gonna add it. Lovely. Half a teaspoon. Why? No. There we go. Ooh, ooh. That's a unique smell. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not expecting it. Just all one's got a whiff of it. Okay. So now we're going to start. Going to do it kind of slow. You want to be careful not to accidentally overdo it, but you don't want to underdo it. We're just going to let it go slow and just take its time. I'm going to fast forward a minute. It's almost done. And in case you're wondering why the cream of tartar, it kind of helps speed up the process of it drying, so you're not waiting forever and ever for it to harden, you know? Like you're using for gingerbread cookies or something. Oh, it looks pretty. Ooh. There you have it. Oh, it tastes good and it's sweet. There's what you want it to look like. The cream of tartar adds a real zangy taste to it. It's supposed to be acidic. Oopsie. So there you go, royal icing. You can substitute lemon juice for it, but it'll be a little bit more runny. If you want it glassy and shiny, just use the cream of tartar. Thanks again for watching. Bye!